Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start with the essentials. Power cycle the Chromebook by holding the power button 10 to 20 seconds, then press again to boot. Once done, check the charger, USB-C port, and screen for visible damage. This often explains boot failures. Make sure to back up any student work to Google Drive or a USB stick. You'll need that if a reset is required. I'll explain why each step matters and what to watch for as we move into repair mode. You now perform recovery. Use another computer to download the Chromebook recovery image and write it to a 8 GB plus USB or SD card. This replaces corrupted OS files. Once prepared, enter recovery mode by holding ESC plus refresh, then press power. Follow the prompts to insert your recovery media. Make sure to note any firmware or error messages you see, because those guide whether the recovery will succeed or if hardware. You finish by running the recovery process to completion. After the OS is restored, sign in with the managed school account and reinstall the required apps. This ensures policies and updates apply. If issues persist, perform a power wash only when data is securely backed up, since it wipes the device. Troubleshooting tip. If recovery fails repeatedly, photograph error codes and the device serial number. Then escalate to school IT. They'll need those details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.